As far as the proceedings for today were concerned, the court had fixed for decision of all the three applications of the defendants to strike out the action, and also our application for obtaining interim injunctive reliefs. In short, the court was of the view that the action of the plaintiffs was to be dismissed, to be struck out, on the grounds, broadly speaking, the written judgment will be provided, I believe, in due course. But in her oral judgment, she touched generally 2 points. Her ladyship mentioned that first and foremost, she was of the opinion that the plaintiffs have got no locus on the fact that the decisions of the removal and whatnot were purportedly confirmed by the NPT meeting on the 4th of June, which itself was being challenged as being invalid. Second part of the judgment is she was of the opinion that Section 18C of the Societies Act 1966 completely prohibits any matters of the party to be brought to court, when we were of the opinion the reading of the section provides for exception to be brought in, and that exception applied in our case. So legally speaking, we shall be advising our clients that legally speaking there are grounds to appeal, of course subject to further verifying the grounds of judgment, but whether the appeal will be filed or otherwise will be determined by the plaintiffs upon consideration of the political developments in the nation. So at this juncture, I will not be able to confirm if and when the notice of appeal is to be filed. To complete the statement, I believe the court also ordered that each of the three applications, the plaintiffs in combination will have to pay cost of 10,000 ringgit for each application, which makes it 30,000 ringgit. But our application, which was dismissed, there is no order as to cost, because all the applications were heard together. Clear? Any questions?
Johnny, what is the application? The three applications, like application,
The Tan Sri Muhyiddin's team's application were two. One is an overall application to strike out the whole action. Second was a specific application to strike out the seventh plaintiff, which was named as Bersatu as a plaintiff. So those two applications were allowed, and the fourth defendant, ROS's application, was to strike out the whole of the action against ROS. That was their application. Our application was to obtain certain injunctive reliefs to preserve the status quo until the matter proceeded to trial. But since the court has struck off the whole action, there is no trial to wait for. So of course, it follows suit that the application was also dismissed. Yeah? Clear? Should be clear.
Total cost is 30,000.
Total cost is 30,000. They can share among themselves. 30 divided by 4, it may come to about 7,500 each. Okay?
Thank you.
Thank you.